Hello,
This is Two Ladies Midwest Adventures.
I'm Jenny.
I'm Julietta. And we are taste testing.
We're taste testing Sponch. It says marshmallow, cookies, coconut, and strawberry. Julietta is really excited about this, so I'm gonna
I love coconut.
I'm gonna have her go first. First, we're gonna open the packaging. Ooh,
Oh,
that's pretty.
oh, there's more.
That's
there's more than I
pretty.
thought.
Ooh, that's pretty.
It's not really pretty, but it does look good.
Yes.
Actually, it smells better.
Yes, it smells
like-
real good.
It smells like strawberry. Ready?
Yeah.
Num num. I got only marshmallow.
Same.
Okay, now I got the strawberry, I think.
I like the flavor.
Strawberry in the center is kind of like a jello.
Yeah.
Like a jelly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop peeking.
Not the best, but then again,
Yeah.
I still applaud the coconut.
Yeah.
I love coconut.
It says 6 cookies on the packet, as you can see right there.
Oh, they make it look like the flowers. That's
Yeah.
cool. They're good.
Yeah. Otherwise, they're pretty good.
That'd probably be something that
They're
you eat
a
on
good treat.
occasion.
Yeah.
They're good though.
They're good.
I'm gonna give it that almost like a 50-50.
Yeah.
Cause it's not like my dad's enchiladas. I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
I mean, then
It's
again,
still
I'm
a good
more for
treat,
spicy
though.
stuff. All right, it'd be something though that you probably get to enjoy.
What else are we missing?
See, if we're doing it on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it an 8.
Same. Maybe even an 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.
Have a blessed day. Stay blessed and make the world a better place.
One person, one moment at a time.
And like and subscribe so we can get to our goal to get to
1,000
1,000 subscribers
subscribers.
so we can start beekeeping.
Bye-bye.
Bye.